In today's digital economy, the real power of marketing lies where creativity meets data and financial strategy. It's about turning consumer insights into stories that not only connect with people but also deliver measurable business outcomes. SIDTM's marketing and finance track helped me master both the art of persuasion and the science of ROI. The program brings together consumer psychology, marketing analytics, and strategic finance to prepare you for real-world business leadership across industries. From social media and campaign planning to pricing strategy and marketing research, the coursework is built for the digital-first economy. You also get to work on live case studies and simulation labs, supported by industry-standard tools like Power BI, SEMrush, Google Analytics, and other MarTech tools. It's practical, immersive, and globally aligned. Whether it's roles from digital brand management, product management, or marketing management, I now speak the language of both CFOs and CMOs. SIDTM gave me the skill set to work at the intersection of storytelling, strategy, and financial impact, something every modern brand needs. SIDTM doesn't just teach you to market, it trains you to lead marketing with a business brain. It's not just about making noise, it's about making smart, scalable impact.